Nice series.
Pull up a chair!
Oh! Oh, what the heck?
Sorry about that. That spot was reserved for Gina. Now, pull up a chair.
I don't think I want to. I will.
There, was that so hard? What will you be drinking today, lad?
What's your special?
Hey, the funky Jackhammer.
Okay, I think I'll have one of those.
Okie dokie. By the way, it is delicious!
Oh, it looks like I'm gonna vomit.
By the way, if you throw up, it is half oof! Oh, dang it. That was the third time this week. Have off, you know? Hello, Gina!
Hey kids, I am a robot, and if you want to live, then you better click the link in the description below.